Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Asafira and this is my video for Literall reading class. Let me begin. An investigation into a link between classroom environment and EFL student teachers academic achievement. Written by May Afriliani and Muhammad Hollandia. Abstract. The aim of the present study was to investigate the relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement of English Education Study Program student of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang by conducting correlational research. 306 366 students of English major of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took the part in the study as the sample by using confidence sampling. The data of the study were collected by administering a questionnaire of college and university classroom environment inventory, or CUCEI, to assess classroom environment of the students, and the students' cumulative GPA was also used to get the students' academic achievement score. Person, product, moment, and registration analysis were used to analyze the data. From the analysis, it was found out that the R was 0.296 and it was higher than our table 0.1 0.1059. The level of probability significance was, it means that was rejected and was accepted. This result showed that there was a significant correlation between classroom environment and the students' academic achievement. Additionally, the regression analysis showed that classroom environment contribute only 8.8% to the students' academic achievement. Lecturer review. Classroom environment and academic achievement. Classroom environment is the place which teaching and learning process occurs. Akuru 2001 defines the classroom as a base for all type activities. It holds students together and offers them the opportunities of achieving the purpose of education. A greater part of educational activities of any school or college occurs in this room. Hannah 2013 also described that classroom is where the student develops what they want their future to look like, as well as knowledge of the skill they need to reach that goal. The classroom environment also defines in terms of the students and the teachers' self-perception in that environment. Fraster and Pickett 2010. In addition, the classroom is a place for interaction among teachers, material, and students in order to create student behavior. However, classroom environment has influence in the teaching and learning process. Abrar, Mukminin, Habibi, Ashrafi, Makmur, Amarzulina 2018 state that classroom environment and negative comment from teachers and peers may hinder the learners from actively engaging and eventually make it difficult to speak. The relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement. The role of classroom environment in influencing academic outcomes has been shown by many research in recent years. Suleiman and Hussein 2014. The psychological environment in a classroom can significantly predict academic achievement. Joanna 2009. Recent research in retention rates of university students has contributed evidence for the positive relationship between the perception of classroom environment and academic achievement. Mokhtar 2003. Fraster 1986 assert that the classroom environment is such a potent determine of students' outcomes that it should be ignored because students will perform better and have more positive attitudes in learning when they perceive classroom environment positively. Methodology, research design. In this study, correlational research methods was used to find out the correlation between variables and interpret the result that may appear. This method was used to find out the correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement of students of English education program at State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. Research sites, sampling, and participants. The population of this study was all the students of English Education Study Program of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang in the academic year 2016 until 2017, which considered of 580 students, then 366 students of English Education Study Program from the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study as the sample by using confidence sampling. Data collection. Before collecting the data, the two instruments in the study were checked for the validity and reliability. CUCEI questionnaire was a ready-made questionnaire and was already validated by Trigus, Fresher, and Dennis. 1986. The questionnaire consists of 49 liquor type items of positive and negative statement and consists of four like scale ranging from 1 strong disagree to 5 strongly agree for positive statement and 5 strongly disagree and 2 5 strongly disagree to 1 strongly agree for negative statement. Data analysis. Before analyzing the data obtained, normally and linearity test was conducted. After all of the data were found normal and linear, the correlation and regression analysis were conducted. The results from the instrument of both questionnaire and students' GPA were calculated to find any potential correlation between variable through person product moment confidence in SPSS with 5% significant level. And the conclusion is from the findings and interpretation in discussed above, some conclusion could be presented. First, the correlation coefficient or the R obtained was higher than R table. It means that the result indicate that there was a positive and significant relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement. Second, the findings revealed that there was a slight influence of classroom environment towards academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. It was shown that classroom environment gave only 8% contribution to their academic performance. So it can be inferred that the lower classroom environment as perceived by the students, the lower their academic achievement would be. I think that's all for my video today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.